Hi, I'm Matt with EPB. As we work to make the transition away from traditional set-top TV service, one of the most important things for us is making sure the installation and setup of our latest FiTV technology goes as smoothly as possible for all our customers. That's why EPB Tech Pros like Mike Reed here will be handling every installation and setup to make sure all your questions are answered and you're comfortable with the new technology. Luckily for us, Mike's here to answer all of our installation questions on this edition of EPB Tech Pro Tips. We know you probably have a lot of questions about the transition from your traditional set-top box to the FiTV Entertainment Box. And a lot of those questions center around the installation and setup of the new equipment. That's why I'm really glad we have EPB Tech Pro Mike Reed here with us today to talk about how that installation process is going to work. Mike, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. Great to be here.
Yeah, so talk to me a little bit about this transition to our new TV technology platform. It seems like it could be a big job for you guys out in the field.
Sure. When it comes to technology, EPB is well equipped and ready to deliver this service to our customers. EPB was the first in the nation to deliver gigabit speeds to every home and business across our community. So when it comes time for technology to evolve, EPB is in a great position to help deliver this and get our customers on board with the latest and greatest technology.
So talk to us a little bit about the installation process for this new FiTV Entertainment Box.
Sure. What we'll do is we'll send out an EPB Tech Pro to your home to install the equipment for you. So we'll come out, remove the old equipment, and install the new equipment. Once the new equipment is connected and up and operational, we want to sit down with the customer and really spend some time going over the remote control and the functionality of the equipment.
And how long would you say it normally takes?
It would depend, but generally we're looking at about 15 to 30 minutes to install the entertainment box.
What if our customers are concerned they're not going to be able to use it or it's easy? Are you guys able to stick with them and talk to them?
Absolutely. We're going to spend whatever time is necessary to make sure the customer is understanding and comfortable with the services that we installed for them.
And what about cost? Does it cost anything for the installation and setup?
Absolutely not. No cost whatsoever. Installation is totally free.
So what have our customers that you've already installed been telling you about how easy this new entertainment box is to use?
Sure. So far, customers are really enjoying it. The entertainment box is very simple to use. As a matter of fact, if customers are using our previous set-top box model, they may not notice a difference at all with this transition to the entertainment box.
So it's simple and easy to use. It's very similar to what we already have if we're using a set-top box, but what's one of the new favorite features that you have of this box?
Sure. For me, my favorite feature is the ability to replay a show that I may have missed earlier in that day or even something from a couple of days past. Very simple to go back in and start the show from the beginning, fast forward or rewind program so that I can catch up on the things that I may have missed.
Great. Awesome. So let's say our customer is ready to go. They want this new entertainment system. What do they need to do?
Sure. Well, we try to make that as simple as we can. Customers can either call, text, or chat with our customer service group. We'll be more than happy to get you signed up and on the schedule to deliver this new technology to you.
Well, Mike, thanks so much for talking with us today and shedding some light on the installation process for this new TV technology that we're all so excited to bring to this community. And thank you for watching. As we make the transition to the newest FiTV, we want you to know we're here with you every step of the way to help make sure you can enjoy the best TV experience at the best value. So if you ever have any questions at all, you can always call, chat, or text us anytime, 24/7. We're happy to help. We'll see you on the next EPB Tech Pro Tips.